thousands of Form 1s now being used by designers, engineers, and artists around the world, we've learned a few ways to improve the world's first high-resolution desktop 3D printer. And now, we're excited to present the Form1+. First, we've added a new laser that is 4 times more powerful, cutting print time by up to 50%. At the heart of the machine's precision and resolution is a new galvanometer control system that moves the laser more quickly and accurately than the previous generation. The redesigned peel mechanism is stronger and more durable, reducing wear for better reliability. And finally, our new injection molded resin tanks are now made with orange light-blocking acrylic, allowing you to store your unused resin outside the printer whenever necessary. Thanks to these new additions, you'll be able to 3D print with increased ease, precision, and speed. That's why we're excited to introduce you to the Form1+.